want serious reliability in the shop, start here. The Ingersoll Rand 9500 is the go-to choice for professional body shops and mechanics who rely on their tools daily. These bits are precision machined from high-carbon steel, heat-treated for longevity, and balanced to reduce vibration during extended use. In testing, this set chewed through 18-gauge sheet metal like butter, removed 20-plus rivets without dulling, and stayed tight in both 4th-inch and 8th-inch retainers. The edges hold exceptionally well, and the fit is snug without binding, a hallmark of Ingersoll's manufacturing precision. The kit includes flat, tapered, and panel cutter bits for multi-purpose use. Specs: feature detail, pieces 5/4-1-inch, 1/4-inch compatible, heat-treated steel, auto body, metal cutting, rivet removal brand, Ingersoll H3, a strong Astro, Pneumatic 4980 set, 10-piece air hammer bit kit. If you're after a well-rounded kit without spending big, the strong Astro Pneumatic 4980 set offers excellent performance per dollar. It includes 10 hardened bits in a durable blow-molded case, flat chisels, tapered cutters, spot weld breakers, and specialty rivet punches. This kit is ideal for U.S. garages looking to cover multiple tasks, from exhaust work to general demolition. During our test, Astro's bits cut cleanly through 20-gauge sheet metal. 3. Sunex SX263 6-piece chisel bit set. The Sunex SX263 set is a favorite among body repair pros who need fine edge precision. This U.S. market set features 6 polished, heat-treated chisel bits designed for cutting thin sheet metal, removing rusted panels, or breaking spot welds. Sunex uses a unique hardening cycle that gives the bits high surface hardness while retaining some core flexibility, which helps prevent shank snapping. In our tests, the SX263's flat and panel bits stayed sharper than most mid-tier competitors. 4. Mayhew Tools 31994 Pneumatic Chisel Bit. Parenthetically, if you prefer a premium single bit over full sets, Mayhew Tools Pneumatic Chisel is an American-made powerhouse. Known for its precision forging and Rockwell-rated hardness, this chisel bit is built for concrete, heavy metal, and thick weld removal jobs. It fits standard 0.401-inch shank U.S. air hammers and is crafted from S2 steel, ensuring minimal mushrooming even after long hammer sessions. This bit cut through 1/8-inch steel brackets and broke loose rusted frame welds with ease. Despite high-impact heat, it retained its edge better than most imports. We noticed a slightly heavier feel, which helps stability when working at higher pressures, 90 to 110 psi, typical U.S. compressor range. And line 4, specs. 5. Chicago Pneumatic CP7111 Chisel Bit Set, 4-piece. Chicago Pneumatic is one of the oldest and most respected names in American air tools, and the CP7111 bit set proves why. Designed to pair perfectly with their CP air hammers and most .401-inch shank competitors, this 4-piece set delivers focused precision for rivet and spot weld removal, 2 of the toughest automotive tasks. Each bit is made of high-carbon, heat-treated steel with a smooth shank that fits snugly into most retainers. The rivet cutter and spot weld breaker in this set are among the sharpest we tested, staying efficient after dozens of weld cuts. 6. Extreme Power US 12-piece Pneumatic Air Hammer Chisel Set, H2. Piece 2. If you're on a budget and want a complete starter kit, the Extreme Power US 12-piece set delivers impressive value for under $40. U.S. pricing as of 2025. It includes flat chisels, pointed chisels, and cutting bits that fit just 401 air hammers used in most American garages. Performance-wise, this set won't match a Mayhew or Ingersoll Rand for long-term durability, but for occasional weekend use, it's unbeatable for the price. 7. Extreme Power US 12-piece Pneumatic Air Hammer Chisel Set. If you're on a budget and want a complete starter kit, the set of flat chisels, pointed chisels, and cutting bits fit to American garages, used in most American garages. Performance-wise, proven standard. This set won't match a Mayhew or Ingersoll Rand for long-term durability, but for occasional weekend use, it's unbeatable for the price. During our test, the cutting bits handled exhaust clamp removal and rusted bolt cleanup with minimal wear. 8. Tusk Ultra Grade Air Hammer Chisel Set 10-piece. The Tusk Ultra Grade 10-piece set is an underrated gem for U.S. users doing heavier metal removal, truck frame repair, or demolition. These bits are made from chromoly, CR-Mo steel, heat-treated to resist deformation and designed for 90 to 110 psi air hammers. The set includes wide chisels, narrow cutters, and a ballpoint bit, ideal for breaking welds or rivets. Each bit in our test remains structurally sound after repeated 1,000 cycle impacts. 9. Air Hammer Bit Set 9 pieces Pneumatic Hammer Chisel Bits. Air Hammer Bit Set's 9-piece set is a popular choice among U.S. tool enthusiasts for its precision machining and clean cuts. Each bit is forged from chrome molybdenum steel, with polished shanks and sharp, uniform bevels that make sheet metal work effortless. While not designed for demolition, these bits excel at precision cutting, body panel trimming, and rust repair work. The fit in a .401-inch retainer is perfect. Zero rattle, zero slop. Edge retention after 500-plus light cuts was among the best we saw in mid-tier sets. A 10th OEM Tools 23996 Punch-and Chisel Set 11-piece. Closing out our top 10, the OEM Tools 23996 offers a sweet spot between professional-grade durability and affordability. It's widely stocked in U.S. automotive supply stores and online, and designed to handle the mix of sheet metal, exhaust, rivet, and weld work typical of American shops. SCS. These chisels are hardened to 52 to 56 HRC, offering solid resistance to deformation. During testing, they stayed sharp longer than most mid-tier imports and showed minimal shank wear.